Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. If you are new to the channel, please do go to subscribe. In this video, we are making a simple pre-poo recipe for my hair. I forgot to film the recipe, but then I'll take you to the entire process on how you can use this pre-poo, like how you can improvise if you don't have everything available in your house. Yes, you're not seeing this hair, but my hair was very dry. And I always mention the importance of moistening your hair or spraying it with water or tea a bit before going in with anything, whether butter, leave-in, oil, anything. You have to spray it a bit before going in with those stuff. So this is me moistening my hair a bit with just water so that my hair is open to accept anything I put on my hair. My hair hadn't been washed for 2 weeks, so of course my scalp was quite dirty because I do a lot of DIYs. My scalp is always very, very dirty. Yeah, so that's why I always try to wash my hair once a week, or if I'll go very far, twice in a month. So first of all, I detangle my hair. In this video, you realize that I hardly use comb. Like, I don't like combs. I hardly use combs on my hair or anybody's hair I try to work on. I just take my time and finger detangle, and that is what has helped me throughout these years, like finger detangling. I decided to use comb some time ago, and I realized that it wasn't for me because it wasn't really working it wasn't doing anything special that I think I wouldn't be able to finger detangle. Yes, so my previous video, I'll link it to this video. I made an onion juice recipe for my sister, and my sister has very thick hair. I intended to share the onion juice recipe with her, but then because the hair is so thick, I couldn't get some. In fact, it was very little, so I had to improvise. And I remember that I had some honey available, so I just decided to mix the honey and the onion juice, and it became honey onion juice. Yes, but it was a very good combination. Honey is going to provide the hair with moisture. It's going to really provide humectant to the hair and scalp. And then the onion juice is also going to do its magic. The honey is going to suppress the effects of the onion juice a bit, but it's not going to make it useless. Yes, so you have to learn to improvise if you want to do these DIY. Sometimes you have fenugreek, but you need to do hibiscus tea, but you don't have hibiscus. You can get something else to just replace what you want. So you don't necessarily need to by all means get a particular herb. If you're not getting it, just look for something else to replace it. Yes, so I used onion juice and then I added my honey to it, so you could tell that it's a bit light in texture. I didn't add any oil to it because I didn't intend to do any oil pre-poo that day. Yes, so I always try to finger detangle the hair. Guys, if you have natural hair, please always finger detangle your hair before going in with a comb, and go in with a wide tooth comb, a comb that's big enough to not break your hair, not rip your hair off. We are struggling to grow this hair. So if you are not careful, you are always combing the hair, you're going to lose the beauty that you have struggled to grow. In fact, I struggle to grow my hair, so I don't just use any comb at any time that I want. I try to finger detangle very, very well. The only times that comb go into my hair is when someone else is dealing with my hair and I can't really control the person's action. I'm like, it's once in a while, so let me just bear with it. Let me just deal with it or something. But if I have the opportunity to do with my own hair, I hardly use combs on my hair. Yes. So another tip is that I always wash my hair in twist. In this particular wash day, I realized that my scalp was very, very, very dirty. I can't emphasize enough on it. Guys, when you're washing your hair, please be gentle and wash your scalp. So after washing my hair, something told me to scratch my scalp a bit, and it was still very dirty. I take my time to do this pre-poo thing, but I rushed to wash my hair. I noticed I always take my time to do these things like you see me doing the video. But when I'm washing my hair, I just put the shampoo in my hair. I use black soap shampoo most of the time. I just put the shampoo in my hair and then just scrub the scalp and I'm done. But then when I finished with this one, I was like, let me look deep into it a bit. And I realized that my scalp was so dirty. I had to wash my hair like 4 or 5 times more. Yes, I'm not exaggerating. I'm serious. My scalp was very dirty. And I'm not sure it was dirty just within the 2 weeks, that was what accumulated. I'm sure my scalp has been dirty for so long, but I haven't been washing it properly because I'm always washing it in a rush. Because my hair is in twist, I just do sharp and then I leave. Another reason why when you're washing in twist, you should take your time is because your hair is in twist. So you have to be gentle. You have to do it one section at a time. Yes, like you take one part, you wash it, you scrub the scalp, you do all your stuff, and then you twist it back at a time. But if you decide to do like what I was doing, I just wash all at once, even though they are in twists, you are going to be doing a lot of course 90 works here. So I've mentioned two things here. Always finger detangle your hair before you shampoo, and always make sure you shampoo your hair properly. Please, when you finish shampooing your hair, use your finger to scrape the scalp just a little and see if you have some dirt in your fingers. If you do, please wash your hair again. Like, please wash your hair again if you do, and just keep doing that to other parts of the hair to be sure if your scalp is totally clean or not. Yes, so after this after this pre-poo method, I went ahead, wore my steamer cap, and then sat under the steamer cap for 15 minutes and then went to shampoo my hair. If you don't have a steamer cap, natural hair is a flexible routine. You don't necessarily have to follow it giddy by hook or crook. If you don't have a steamer cap, just wear your shower cap. If you don't have a shower cap, just wear a normal plastic bag on your scalp. The whole aim is to produce heat on your scalp, and when heat is produced on your scalp, it's able to open your follicles, your hair follicles, to absorb whatever nutrient that you've put in the hair. Yes, so if you don't have a steamer cap or a shower cap, just wear a normal plastic rubber bag on your hair for about an hour or two while doing your household chores, and then this is going to still work effectively for you. Yes, so I mentioned in some of my videos that I like trimming my ends. Like these days, this particular video, I never took scissors. I said no, I have stopped doing this act, and I realized that my ends were also very full as compared to those times that when I finished doing my hair, I always have to trim it because my ends were always looking very, very thin and lean and all that. So yes, so guys, this is how I pre-pooed my hair this weekend using honey, onion juice, and honey and onion juice. And the recipe for the onion juice is tagged up there. You can just click on it to watch. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do well to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.